महोदय जी, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 2 का पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजातों की एक एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री अजय भट्ट।
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 2 ख पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख अंकित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Messages from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha, at its sitting held on 21st July 23, adopted the following three motions recommending to the Rajya Sabha that 1. Rajya Sabha do agree to nominate one member of Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts of the House for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee, Vice Shri Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, retiring from Rajya Sabha on 18th August 23, and do communicate to Lok Sabha the name of the member so nominated by the Rajya Sabha. 2. Rajya Sabha do agree to elect 10 members from amongst the members of the Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Welfare of other backward classes for the term of 1 year, beginning from the date of the first sitting of the committee, and do communicate to Lok Sabha the names of members so elected to the committee. And 3. Rajya Sabha do elect 2 members of Rajya Sabha in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote to the Joint Committee on Offices of Profit in the vacancy caused by passing away of Shri Hardwar Dubey with effect from 26th June 23, and to be caused by the retirement of Ms. Dola Sen with effect from 18th August 23 from Rajya Sabha respectively, and do communicate to Lok Sabha the names of members so appointed by Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee.
One second. Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture, Shri Jugal Singh Lokhandwala.
धन्यवाद माननीय महोदय। मैं परिवहन, पर्यटन और सांस्कृतिक संसदीय स्थायी समिति के प्रतिवेदन एक भारतीय विरासत एवं पुरातत्व जुड़ी सांस्कृतिक धरोहर की कलाकृति और सुरक्षा और पुनः संबंधित 338वां प्रतिवेदन, दूसरा बंदरगाह और संपर्क पर्यटन टर्मिनल सुविधाओं समिति को 338वां प्रतिवेदन और सिफारिश मुक्तियों पर संबंधित 349वां प्रतिवेदन, और तीसरा ग्रीनफील्ड और ब्राउनफील्ड हवाई अड्डों और रक्षा हवाई अड्डों का विकास संबंधित 350वां प्रतिवेदन, चौथा राष्ट्रीय अकादमियों और सांस्कृतिक संस्थाओं संबंधित 351वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदन सभापति अनुमति से सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Announcement 1. Honorable members, 11 notices under Rule 176 for short duration discussion have been received. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, BJP, concern over violence during Panchayat elections in the state of West Bengal. Shri Sushil Kumar Modi, the same. Shri Sushil Kumar Modi, concern over brutal use of police force against peaceful protesters in Patna, Bihar. Dr. Lakshmikant Vajpayee, BJP, concern over atrocities against women in the state of Telangana. Shri GVL Narasimha Rao, BJP, concern over protests by youths belonging to SC/ST communities in the state of Chhattisgarh to challenge the issue of fake caste certificates. Shri Harnath Singh Yadav, BJP, concern over atrocities against women in the state of Chhattisgarh. Shri Harnath Singh Yadav, BJP, concern over atrocities against women in the state of West Bengal. Dr. Lakshmikant Vajpayee, BJP, concern over atrocities against women in state of Kerala. Shri Ghanshyam Tiwari, concern over crime against women and deteriorating law and order situation in the state of Rajasthan. Dr. Lakshmikant Vajpayee, concern over atrocities against women in the state of Jharkhand. Dr. Shiv Dasan, CPIM, concern over ethnic violence in the state of Manipur. Honorable members, in respect of the last notice, you would recall on 20th July 2023, on 20th July 2023, I had already given a ruling that the notices for short duration discussion received regarding the violence in Manipur are admitted, and the leader of the House, Shri Piyush Goyal, had agreed for a discussion on this issue. The remaining notices are under my active consideration. Honorable members, I have received 27 notices. Honorable members, I have received 27 notices under Rule 267. 27. Shri Malika Arjun Khadge, Dr. John Bitas, Shri A.D. Singh, Take your seat. Take your seat first. No. Mr. Derek O'Brien, take your seat. You are challenging the chair. No. The House stands adjourned to meet at noon today.
ग्रीनफील्ड और ब्राउनफील्ड हवाई अड्डों और रक्षा हवाई अड्डों का विकास संबंधी 350वां प्रतिवेदन। चौथा, राष्ट्रीय अकादमियों और सांस्कृतिक संस्थाओं संबंधित 351वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदन सभापति अनुमति से सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।